In previous videos, we showed you how to mount our easy multi-fit bracket on a motor using perimeter or retaining bolts. As you know from being in the field, sometimes these bolts are hard to access, recessed, or whatever the case may be. For that, in the BPK Field Pack kit, we have a solution, a t-slot adapter that we can use to correct this problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we use the t-slot adapter on a recessed bolt. On this motor, you can see we have a recessed retaining bolt. This makes the standard retaining clip impossible to install. To compensate for the recessed bolt, we include in the BPK Field Pack a variety of t-slot adapters. The t-slot adapter will mount onto this bolt and give us the proper spacing we need to install the EZ3 bracket and bearing protection kit on the motor shaft. To install the t-slot adapter on this recessed bolt, the first thing we're going to do is loosen this bolt but not remove it from the motor. I'm just going to go ahead and loosen this just enough to slip the t-slot adapter around the head of the bolt. Then I'm going to go ahead and retighten that. Finger tighten into place. Once your finger tightened into place, use the t-slot adapter to tighten the retaining bolt back to factory specification. With the t-slot adapter properly installed and torqued, the next thing we're going to do is take our EZ3 bracket and ensure that we're properly placed up against the motor shaft to avoid any keyway, or anything that could damage the bearing protection kit. In this case, with the kit mounted perpendicular to the shaft, we're in pretty good shape. The last thing we have to do is use the included mounting hardware. Mount the EZ bracket to the t-slot adapter, aligning the kit perpendicular to the shaft. Remove the retaining clip and your install is complete.